This question is from Ravin Prabhu. He asked, Hare Krishna Guruji, does our soul know what is happening with internal organs also? Thank you, Guruji.
What is happening means the processes happening, the function of our organs, which we don't know. For example, all our organs, they are doing a lot of things. Of course, heartbeats, maybe if we touch, we can feel the heartbeat, or we can do all those things. But all other organs, our the digestion system, they are doing its task, and liver is doing a lot of work. Actually, liver and kidney is doing its work. All those things, but we that is actually controlled by what is known as autonomic nervous system. So because autonomic nervous system is not under our control, it's under the control of our brain. So we have got two different nervous systems. So the one which is the sensory and motor control, so that we know it. That is sensory. We get feel, we get the touch, pain, heat, all those things. We get feel, we feel it goes to the brain. Then accordingly we will react. So that is all our motor nervous system. But this is known as autonomic nervous system, means it is autonomic means it's like it's not in our control actually. But if there is any pain or something, if there is a problem, it hurts or pains, so then the pain receptors are there, so that is known as nociceptors. So that will actually send the signal to the brain, so that way you will feel that pain. But otherwise it's functioning and all such things, we don't know, it's not in our control. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guruji.
Hare Krishna.
My question was around the objective that the Kshetrajna, there are two Kshetrajna, one is our soul and Krishna. So,
Yes.
so is there any difference between what is observed by these two Kshetrajnas?
It's actually, of course, Krishna is the knower of everything. He knows everything, Prabhu. Everything is coming from him. He is the source of everything. He is the knower of everything. But the real meaning here, this Kshetrajna means one who knows about our body and soul. So who knows Kshetrajnayor Jnanam. So one who knows that means he has knowledge. Otherwise, he has no knowledge. So Kshetrajna is the literal meaning is Kshetra is body, Kshetrajna is soul, Prabhu. That's it. Body and soul. So that's what.
So the soul gets the information through brain or in how does it? How does soul?
How we feel. We have mind, senses, all those things. Correct. The soul.
Okay.
Yeah, of course, brain. Brain is a mechanical part of our body. So
Right.
it is all having a very network with billions of neurons are there. They are all very complex neurons. They are all the time firing signals. It's going and afferent and efferent. It goes to the brain. You call it as afferent. Then it comes back efferent, efferent and efferent. So all those things are happening. So this is all very scientific. So, but the soul knows everything when you are having like all those like pain or sweet or taste. So all those things, the soul is feeling it. Yes, bro.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Very good.
Yes, bro. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji. Hare Krishna.